It's time to choose materials for our project. Open the material preview to see which material is assigned to each board. At this stage, all boards are white. You can drag the desired material to each individual board or speed up the process by applying materials to groups. By default, all fronts from the lower elements belong to group F1, fronts from the upper elements belong to group F2, shelves go to shelves, and other boards are assigned to group F3. You can also change the group of any board. With this setup, instead of applying materials to each board one by one, you can go to the Materials panel, select a group such as F1, and assign a material to all boards in that group at once. Repeat the same process for the other groups. Once the materials are assigned, we can export the cutting list. Notice that the countertop has a note for CNC, meaning we can also export it as an image for CNC processing. From a woodworking perspective, this gives us everything we need. The cutting list is prepared, and the next step is assembling the physical cabinets. If your workflow requires, in later chapters, we will move into rendering and creating interactive 3D models, allowing your customers to customize and be actively involved in the design process.